what is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. Now, in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the, I want to say it's Memzuoix. I don't know how to pronounce their name, but they did send this out to me in this video. It's sponsored. We're going to be taking a look at their 2.4 gigahertz LED rechargeable wireless mouse. And as you can see, if you take a look at the photos, it seems that the RGB, like, there's a transparent top. So this will be definitely an interesting video. They did send me out the LED one. I do think they make more than one, though. This is the LED. Got a customizable lighting section, or a lighting for like LED lighting with a unique design, as well as ergonomic shape for long-term use, supposed to be comfortable, as well as a stable wireless connection, great for both work and play. It's available in multiple colors and suit different tastes. Seems to be like a decent little mouse. It's about 25 bucks on Amazon at the time of the recording of this video. There's a white and a black. We have the black, I believe. Oh, there's a pink. That's not pink, that's more of a white. Yeah, we got the white one, because this one's more transparent. The black one, it's a little transparent, but it's not nearly as transparent as the white one. You can get this for about 25 bucks on Amazon at the time of the recording of this video, which is going to be December 23rd, 2024. I also want to say happy holidays. You also got, it's rechargeable. I believe it comes with a USB-C cable. It's good for a laptop or PC, desktop, or a MacBook, which we're going to be testing it on is my MacBook. Again, there will be all the links will be in the description below. The link I'm going to put in the description, you can choose a different color if you'd like. There's pink, and then there's black. The black one is pretty much this, but this is more black transparent, if that makes sense. It's a darker transparent color on the top of the mouse. So, yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at this thing. I will grab a knife. I have not looked at this. It's been sitting for a bit. I haven't really had a chance to record it, and the time finally came that I was able to do so. So that's what we're doing. Go ahead and open her up. It's actually a lot bigger than I was kind of expecting. We've got a user manual, a very basic, very basic USB cable. I think if you're paying 25 bucks or 30 bucks for this item, you really should be getting something that's braided. Here's the mouse. Oh, wow. I actually kind of like that. Yeah, I like that. It's actually really comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, because you got some like padding right here. And you can just, yeah, that's actually really comfy. Let's take a look at the user manual. You get a user manual, rechargeable LED wireless mouse. This is our model number, if you're curious, if this is the exact one you want to attempt to get. Doesn't say the model number on the Amazon page. You just take the nano receiver out of the bottom of the mouse, turn it on, plug it into a USB port or an adapter, depending on what type of laptop you have, and then it'll work. It's got a 500 milliamp hour battery. The battery voltage is going to about 3.7 volts. Charging is going to be 4.2. Charging time is about 1.5 hours. That's the size and product weight. The weight is about 3.7 ounces, so it's not super heavy. It does go up to about 1200 DPI, which is nice. I'm pretty sure that's pretty low, you know, today's standards, but for an office mouse, it'll work just fine. Ergonomic design, it's suitable for both hands. I'm right-handed, so I'm not even gonna bother. It is supported with Windows 8, 10, and 11, and Mac. It's probably gonna work on Windows 98 if you plug it in, but before we plug it in, I did wanna show you the lights, so let's just take that out. Like I said, it's got a little compartment for the nano receiver, so let's go ahead and just turn it on. It's not very LED-like, huh? Oh. It's not bad, it's bright. It's noticeable. It's not the worst. It's just, oh, okay. So it does kind of change colors a little bit, because if you look, you can kind of see that it's got 4 individual RGB zones, or LED zones, I guess you could call it. But let's go ahead and test her out. All right, so I haven't even plugged the nano receiver in. I've got this adapter here. It's just a USB hub that was sent out to me. So we're just going to use this. Oh, I got to allow. Should just work. I mean, oh, there we go. Now it's working. Okay, so, I mean, first impressions, it's pretty responsive. I mean, wouldn't say it's 100% responsive, but all right, well, the world has been created. Wow, that is some delay. If I go slow, it's fine. I mean, compared to my gaming mouse, it's got some delay, but otherwise, I mean, because like I'm going like this, and like I don't know if you guys can really tell, but there's a very small amount of delay. But I mean, honestly, if you're just playing Minecraft, it should be fine. It's not super unresponsive. It's still responsive. Is that a wizard or is that just a villager? I think that's just a villager. I don't like the mouse wheel. I think the mouse wheel doesn't have enough clicky. I like clicky mouse wheels. Seems to be pretty smooth though. I mean, let's grab some wood from this villager's tree. For a $30 mouse, it's pretty good, but I feel like there's better options. I'm just being bluntly honest with you. I'm not saying don't go out and buy this and try it. Amazon's got a really good return policy if you don't like it, so you could always determine if you like it. And if you want something for your kid that wants to just play Minecraft on their little laptop or gaming PC or whatever you get them, this will work. I mean, it's RGB. They're going to love it. and they're not really going to care about the speed and stuff. And the back buttons are nice because I do use those quite a bit. Okay, yeah, see, the only thing is it just doesn't feel as responsive as my other mouse, but like I said, sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. Decent mouse. I feel like there's definitely better mice out there, and I'm not hating on the company or anything. I do want to thank them for sponsoring this video, as they did send the mouse out to me to review. I feel like there could have been a little bit better communication between that whole scenario, because I never actually got a link. I had to look it up. You know, look around on Amazon. There's plenty. Logitech makes some basic $20, $30 gaming mice that are going to beat this thing by a lot. So don't be afraid to, don't be afraid. This house is floating. Don't be afraid to look around. Like, I'm not saying you guys have to buy this mouse. It's an option. There's probably something better out there, especially for the price. Like, I just feel like for example, this is better. It feels better in the hand. It doesn't even have RGB, but that's fine. It doesn't need RGB. Like, it does take a battery, so you have that benefit of just recharging this one, which you do just recharge in the front here. It's got a little Type-C port. But honestly, you could just buy a rechargeable battery set and then recharge your batteries, and then just do that with this. If you want to buy it, buy it. If you don't want to buy it, then don't. Is this... Oh, hold on. This comes off? What? Okay, yep. So I guess you can buy replacement plastic? Because I just honestly did not know that. Okay. This just slides on and off. It's a little plastic piece, and you just... bloop. Interesting. Yeah, check this out. There will be a link in the description below. I'll put the G203 in the description and my current mouse, which you can check out in my PC specs document if you guys want to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike if you thought it sucked. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not done so already. See you guys next video, and peace out.